today we're going to actually show you a brand new product that we invented. Actually, we didn't invent it, we just borrowed it from the pet store. But we're going to call this the Snore No More collar. If you have a friend, a spouse, a brother or sister who snores and really irritates you at night, or even riding in a car while they're sleeping and they keep you awake or annoy you just with these awful sounds, try Snore No More. In a few minutes, we're going to advance to the following night, which will be tomorrow night, and show you actually how Snore No More really works. Tonight, we check our new product, the Snore No More, with 2 frequency levels, the quick fix or constant stimulation. We will test this product tonight on our friend Bryce, who is already sound asleep. We secured the collar on him earlier. Let's go see how this product works. Tonight we test our product on our friend Bryce, who's already sound asleep, secured with the Snore No More collar already around his neck. As you can see, the bright orange collar. Bryce is usually a heavy snorer. He stays at our house quite often and keeps Devin awake constantly at night. We'll try button number 1 first, which is a quick fix. It usually works. On the count of 3, this will provide a just very slow shock. Doesn't last long, but it usually stops snoring. So let's try it. Let's try button number 1, the quick fix. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. As you can see, that only worked for a few seconds. Next, we try button number 2, constant stimulation. Be careful with this, because if your friend's a bedwetter, it could electrocute him to death. So be prepared. On the count of 3, we're going to press constant stimulation to see how this works with our friend Bryce. 1, 2, 3. As you can see, our friend Bryce, he's sleeping. Here we've secured the collar, the Snore No More. Here is the detonator. First we're going to try our quick fix as Bryce is snoring. Sometimes it can be very annoying. So we're going to try button number 1 first. On the count of 3, we're going to see if it makes Bryce stop snoring. Actually, it don't sound like he's snoring too much anyway. Sometimes he has moments where he doesn't snore very loudly. I guess that's good enough.
Are we still playing? Dude!